Assalamu alaikum and good morning, everyone. So we are back in our weekly webinar, that is Sunday at 9 p.m. Dubai time and elsewhere all around the world. As I always say that it's my privilege to be with all these elite people from around the world. And it's my motivation to see people benefiting from this beautiful DXN health, wealth, and happiness, the logo which is there, which is the need of the hour. Everybody needs good health. As just now Fida said, that everybody needs these two things, good health and enough money so that they are not dependent on others. If you have really, listened to him, he spoke about how he expanded the business outside Pakistan, that is in Philippines and in Indonesia. And I know that his team is building up in Malaysia also. Imagine Malaysia has got thousands of direct selling company and DXN is right over there. The top leaders are over there. He still managed to get people in Malaysia. That is a big thing. And this is, what is this? This is called clapping. If I would like you all to clap, this is the clapping on the webinar. This I can do. I don't want everybody to do that, but everybody can do that. So can we give a clapping to John? Can you just raise your hand and do clapping? Not like that, like this, because this is how the deaf people clap. When I went first time to Turkey, so you can stop clapping, Khalid, because your wife will say, what's happened to you? So coming to this, our business, it is 100% around people. And can you see this? For people who love helping or like helping people. And this is one of the book which is around our business called Business School. Any business, whether it's DXN, whether it is the coaching of Dr. Purni, or it is Dr. Asma's patient, or it is airlines, or whether it is restaurant, people are the most important element. Without people, you just cannot do it. And there are, as I told you earlier also, this is a beautiful book which I read, and this is the book which is talking about surrounded by idiots. And you would be saying, are we surrounded by idiots? Idiots are the people. First of all, the number one idiot is me. Why? Because I try to think that I know everything. I'm the Mr. Right. I'm the Mr. Perfect. And that is the reason why I cannot go out to the people. It's very small book. There are a lot of golden nuggets in it. It was published only last year. And I'm going to, talk about today. The topic is how to qualify consumers and members and business builders. And this is the challenge a lot of people are having. And I'm hearing it from last almost over a month that, our business is not going up because we cannot reach out to the people. So what mistake we are doing? First of all, that is very important. You see, the world is like an ocean. It's a huge ocean. And you have to channel that ocean into a small pond that is your pond. So now try to please understand the whole world is an ocean, and you would like to get the people inside your pond, which is called maybe John Demelo's pond or Khalid's pond or whatever your pond is. Now, how do you attract those fish into this pond? You have to have the right message, or what we call it, a right bait. So what we are doing when we are trying to talk to the people, we are doing two things. The mistakes that we are doing, there are two. Number one mistake is we are talking in such a way that we are trying to scare them. Now, if those fishes are coming and we are doing anything which will scare the fish, how they will enter into my pond? This is a beautiful example that you need to not scare the people to get into your pond. and they become a consumer or a member or a business builder. The first thing is, do not scare. How we scare people? By our language, what we do, what we say. If we get impatient and we start talking about the moment the person says, yes, I have a health issue, and then without even wasting a single moment, you start talking about DXN. This is the company which is there all over the world, a $1.5 billion company, 10 million people, Dr. Lim. That is, you are scaring that person. We have spoken something before time. So please do not scare people. Try to understand people. Try to find their problems, not just simple surface problem. Go deep down into their problems. And when you have understood everything, that this is the business or this is the product which will solve that person's problem, then you need to go step by step. And this is what I need you all to understand. Today's webinar will be around that, what words you are using. So first thing is scaring. We are trying to sell the product. We are trying to, talk too much, too fast. We are talking in jargons. That is, we are trying to confuse people. Now, for example, from this big ocean, you want to get those people into your pond. So you need to have the right bait. You should not have a different bait. If I would to like to get salmon, so I have to have a salmon bait, not some other bait. Everybody is looking for a solution, and you don't talk in a way where they get confused. Now, everybody is using Facebook. Why they are not getting engaged with you is the language or the things that you are putting is salesy. It is, if it is a language where you are talking, where you want to help the people, then it is not clear. Clarity is not there. There is some confusion. Why should a person get in touch with you if you are a person who is talking in a language that they do not? You are talking, but you are talking about, there is the solution to the world right now is Ganoderma lucidum, which has got polysaccharide, adenosine, and triterpenoid, organic germanium. Tell me, what word, if you are new, you are a DXN member, you are using the product, you are a gyanotherapist, whatever, you can understand. But if you are talking to the normal people who will understand these words, that's confusion. So whenever you are doing prospecting, keep these two things. Am I trying to scare the person and push that person away, or am I trying to attract that person? Listen and listen and listen, and keep on asking questions. And have clarity in your talk. And be the person who would like to help people, not just make them a member or make them a consumer. So now, coming to our topic, how to qualify the consumers. Let's talk about consumers. Take your time while you are prospecting, whether it is Facebook, whether it is any other media, whether it is one-to-one, try to get to know the person. You don't have to jump into the health, wealth, and happiness formula. Everybody needs it, but is that person who's asking for good health? Maybe he's already having good health. He doesn't want to, talk about or listen to anything talking about the. So find out, how is his life? How is his, job? How is his health? You remember the 4H formula? Family, occupation, recreation, dream, and H is the health. So talk about this thing and then try to filter out that person. Where is the problem? And now you have found out the problem is health. I'll give you the example. You see, the best way to teach anybody is by giving example. I know a person, and that person, dad was having cancer, and going through some sort of cancer treatment, and now was about to start with the chemotherapy. Now you can well imagine this person is in dire need to see his dad get well, does not get the side effect of the. So I had a detailed talk with that person, and that person, when that person was open to natural products and all. So what did I do after that? So I found out the problem of that person. Now I'll go step by step. Number one, this finding the problem takes time. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time, find the problem. And that problem is severe now. 10 years, 15 years is the problem. So I have now come to know that the problem is there. And then I said, okay, Mr. X, I see that you have a problem. Do you want to come out of your problem? Now, this is the natural approach. Do you want to come out of the problem? Of course, he said his problem is there. So he wants to come out of the problem. And now I will tell him, the problem that you have, I have a solution. Now, very important, you want to come out of the problem. Now, listen to me very carefully. I have a solution. I am here to help you. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not here to recruit you into any program. Please listen to me carefully. I'm going to ask you 5, 6 questions. If you think that this is the right fit to your problem, you say yes. If you think that this is not the right fit, tell me no. Tell me no, and I'll back off completely. Because problem is yours. The problem is not mine. I want to help you. But if you think that this is not the right fit, tell me no. So what you have done with that person, that consumer, you have tried to make that person relax. You are not salesy, you're not pushy. There are not 1, 2, there are millions of people who need our product, but the way we are presenting the product to them is in a complete wrong way. Now I'll give you this example of this person. I'll tell you, in the end, he bought the product for how much? The money I'm talking about. In Pakistan, everybody keeps on thinking the products are very expensive. Products are very expensive. But when the person knows the solution is there, then money is not into consideration. So coming to first thing, finding the problem, telling that I have a solution, telling him that I'm not here to sell you things, I'm here to solve your problem. Now, my questions to you is, to that consumer, number one, do you believe in natural products? Do you believe in something like food, natural food, organic food? Says yes, number one. Number two, now you're taking the medicine. So along with the medicine, this has to be taken. So are you disciplined to take it regularly? Says yes. Now the problem is of last 15 years. It's going to take time. So you need to increase the food which I'm going to give you, the superfood which I'm going to give you. So are you ready to, be disciplined, take it regularly, and also increase the consumption? Till such time he's not understanding what do you mean by consumption. I'm going to explain you later, but are you ready? These are the basic questions. Number 4 question is about time. Our products, which are not medicine, which are food, which goes in the cause of the problem, not the symptom, not the disease. So it is going to take time. I don't know, even the MRI will not know how many billions of cells which are sick. Now, if a person is suffering from cancer, so you can well imagine the area that is covering, and this guy, or the person that, not one, there are a couple of them who are suffering from this cancer, their lifestyle has come down completely. because of the chemotherapy, because of other problems. So I'm talking to this person who is going to become a consumer. All right. So I said that time I cannot give, but for sure, this is going to help. Zero side effect. I repeat, this can be taken with the medicine and it does not have any side effect. Now, if you are disciplined and if you are taking it regularly, increasing the product, not missing it while this canotherapy or this product consumption is taking place, you will see the result in couple of months. And a severe case, it might take maybe a year also. Are you ready for that? The person says, yes, I'm ready. Time, I have already been suffering. I'm ready to put another year also, no problem. So you have taken out that question, how fast I'm going to get the benefit. And then comes, while you are taking this product, there will be a positive ailing reflection. The body is going to take out those toxins and try to balance the body. And this is maybe little painful. It's just like if you get a cut in your hand and you wash it and you put antiseptic or Dettol or anything, it's going to burn. So that burning is called positive ailing reflection. It is reflecting because it is not going to go into the infection or gangrene. So the person understands. You don't have to explain too much because that person can be scared. Once the person buys the product, then you can talk about more on detoxification and all that. Here, you are just putting certain things in his mind so that the person understands. And the last point, which is very important, the product cost for a month will be minimum $100. Now, this is where a lot of people say no. But those who are open and they are ready to go ahead and buy the product, they are not going to say no. So all these 5-6 questions, he says yes, that person, you have qualified him or her to become a consumer. Any of these question, he says, no, I don't believe in it, and it's going to take so much time, and I don't have $100 to spend for my health, then you immediately back off and you say, thank you for listening to me, and looks like today is not the right moment to say yes. Today onward, I'm not going to give you a call. Neither I'm going to pester you or bother you with this solution which I came to help you. Whenever you want to come, you are most welcome. But if you need, and you say, okay, you would like to have some material via email or WhatsApp, that I'm going to do to you, but not any more calling you. So you have politely rejected that person. This person bought product worth over $2,000. 300,000 Pakistani rupees. There is another person in New York. This is the real example I'm giving you. Just last week, he said that, I came with an American dream. I made a lot of money. He's got a beautiful house in Rhode Island. And the person says, what I lost is my health. So this is what you need to understand. There are people who would like to buy the product at whatever cost. And this person is buying the product for $2,500 per month. So you think that you are not seeing these people? You are seeing the people, but we are making some mistake. We are scaring, we are salesy, we are not talking into their language. And now the value of the product, the value of the program is not getting in their head because the language that we are using is wrong. So I hope this how to qualify a consumer is, you need to practice. I'm going to send you this recording also. So I'll quickly recap. Once you find the problem of that 15 years or 10 years, so immediately say that I'm going to give you the solution but I'm not going to sell you the product and not get you into any program and recruit you. So I'm going to ask you these few questions. Number one, do you believe in the natural products? Are you going to use it regularly, like your medicine? Number two, increase the consumption time-wise. The time that you have 10 years, I'm going to give you 10 months to see the benefit. And it'll have a little bit of reflection. Not everyone has it. And the cost of the product per month, your consumption will be $100. So this is how you are going to approach. You have to keep on practicing, keep on practicing this thing. And this methodology I'm using, and I'm seeing how people are coming and using the product. Last night, only last night, around midnight, I was talking to some person, and the person was, his wife was having IBS, and you know, IBS is a disease. There's no cure, and somebody referred that person to me, and the call was for only 15 minutes, and the call went for 45 minutes. So you know exactly the person need that natural solution, and you are there as a solution provider, not as a recruiter, not as a seller or a marketer. If that the person sees you, that you are the person who's giving me the solution, that person is definitely going to buy the product from you. Coming to that member or a business builder, people need money. I mean, now there are a lot of people who are in dire need to get only $500, not $5,000, not $50,000, only $500 they are looking for. Even if they get $100, that's good enough. In Africa, people who are getting $100, they are saying Alhamdulillah. In fact, we all should be saying Alhamdulillah in the business that you are in. So getting $500 in our business in 1 year time is very much possible. Now you find the problem of that person who is having difficulty in paying the bills, just the bills, or getting the food for their family, because whatever they were earning, you know, the cost of living has gone up, or lost the job or whatever, and that money is important. If that person is ready and to work. So now the qualification is, there are two qualifications. Again, you ask that person that I'm here, you have a problem, you need just $500. If somebody say $3,000, let that $3,000 be your word, the figure that you should be giving all the time during this qualification. So I ask that person, okay, you need this $500 in a year time, okay? So with the situation, what is happening right now, you think that you will be able to get $500? The person is, of course, he has to be realistic. He said, no. So I'm going to give you a solution whereby you can get it. But remember, it's your problem. I'm giving you the solution. I'm not here to sell you anything and make you a member. You tell me, yes, this is the solution that I would like to follow. And tell that person you can get it, provided you follow what I teach you. I'm going to ask you two questions. Number one, whatever you are doing right now, in 1 week, are you ready to put 20 hours? 20 hours per week, minimum. And the person says, yes. What do you need to do? That I'm going to teach you later. Number one. Number two, you are working, or whatever you are doing is because you are healthy. So you need to get this $500. So you need to work on your own health. So you need to change your brand of whatever you are buying, which is worth about $50, $70 in every house. The grocery that people are buying is approximately that much. I need to change. I would request you to change your brand and come to our brand where you get good health as well as you get good income. So approximately $80 to $100 you need to invest, and you can, if you don't have it, you can still sell the product. There are people in poor countries, they are selling only one sachet. Imagine one sachet and they are selling not 1, 2, they're selling 10 to 100 coffee boxes per month, and they're getting that money. They are getting the retail profit, and they are getting the bonus also from that. So you qualify the person with two questions. One, time. The other one is about $100 need to invest in order to get that $500 or $5,000. And the person says yes, and the person is ready. Almost all people that I have been prospecting and talking, I have still till this point not spoken about anything about DXN or Ganoderma or the marketing pen and Star Agent and Carnival. Nothing is required at this point. You need to find the yes to these two questions. The person says yes, then you explain what is DXN in short and how they are going to get benefit out of it. So I'll stop over here, and this is how you need to qualify. And I have also earlier spoken about MA, PPP, SBQQ. When you find there is a problem as far as the money is concerned, and then the person wants to know more, you stop, and then you say that let's sit down and talk or have a Zoom meeting when you are free for at least 45 minutes. So you want to see the urgency, you want to see the commitment of that person. And then once you come to talk face to face, if it is on Zoom like that, then you ask about what motivated you to come to this call. You remember I needed that $2,000 or whatever that person is saying. Then you say the second word is a takeaway. This might be a right fit for you or not. So please listen, and then you tell me yes at the end. Then comes the P is the permission. I'm going to ask you a few questions, which will be personal question in order to find what is your financial situation, why you need this money, what is the bare minimum you need. So that is the permission to ask question. And then is the second P is called probing. You need to go deep into and uncover all what is happening in that person's life financially. So this probing will take few minutes. And after you found out that this person does not need 2,000, he basically needs 1,000, then work around that 1,000. And then come the last piece called problem. Tell that person, look here, this is the problem that you have. Do you think right now, the present pandemic situation, you can get 1,000 with your job or whatever you are doing? The person will say no. The moment he says no, then S is the solution. And the solution is that if you work hard, really work hard, not 20 hours, you put 40 hours. So by the end of this year, 2021, you should be able to get at least 500. And you work to where you want to get $1,000, you can get $1,000. That is a solution. Because people are thinking that there's no hope to get this money. So you are giving that solution, and he is thinking, okay, now he's coming close to you. Then you ask that BQQ, basic qualifying question. Time, which I have explained you earlier, and the money invested is $100 for his health or $100 to get that $1,000 or $2,000. That's how you qualify the people. I'll stop over here. I'll stop the recording also. And